Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize property investments with Zillow. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To optimize property investments using Zillow, start by accessing the Zillow website or app. Create an account if you don't have one. Use the search bar to enter your target location. Filter your search based on property type, price range, and number of bedrooms. Explore the map feature to see property locations visually. Click on listings that interest you for detailed information. Examine key details such as property size, age, and features. Pay close attention to the estimated property value provided by Zillow. Check the Zestimate for insights on property price trends. Review recent sales in the area to assess market value. Use the Rent Index for rental properties to gauge rental income potential. Look for price history to understand past performance. Utilize the Make Me Move tool to see if property owners may negotiate on price. Consider the Nearby Homes section to identify comparable properties. Take advantage of the mortgage calculator to estimate monthly payments. Review neighborhood statistics to assess schools, crime rates, and amenities. Set up alerts for new listings that meet your criteria for ongoing monitoring. Evaluate market trends over time using the Market Overview section. Research property management resources if you plan to rent out. Engage with local real estate agents through Zillow for expert advice. Make a final decision based on comprehensive data and insights gathered. This approach will help you optimize your property investments effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.